What is up, guys? My name is Brandon Robles, and today I'll be showing you my best week of the sales, number 7. We have some pretty good books to go over this week. Not too bad with the sales, and some really interesting ones that I wanted to talk about. So if you guys have kept up with my last couple of videos with the best sales of the week, you'll recognize these books that I sold. So I sold these NFPA books, textbooks. A lot of them were brand new. I sold 3 of them this week, actually. So I sold 2 for $45 and 1 for $35. I am officially sold out with these things. These have been great sellers. Very happy with them. And it's cool to get them off the shelf, but they've been really treating me well, selling consistently for $30 to $45 for the last couple months, but cool to have them out, so not bad. So this next little pamphlet book, I guess you can call it, was actually a sewing book, and it was specifically for lingerie, and there was no barcode or anything on it. It was really cool because it was literally a matter of searching it up, and off the bat, I'm like, oh, this is obviously just some magazine, I'm gonna toss it. Well, it ended up being worth like $18 or $19. Not too bad. Again, I always pester you guys. Shelf space is a big deal. So if you can find something that's like small and thin and you can sell it for like $18, $20, that's not too bad. This did not sit on the shelf for long at all. I was really happy with it because, again, a small envelope, it's literally thin like a magazine. But these kind of things do sell. So for $18.99, not too bad. I also sold the Star Trek board game, and I advertised it as a 95% complete. This actually could have been a complete board game. I have no idea. All I know is that I didn't really want to take the time to count out every piece. I know that sounds lazy. I just didn't feel like doing it. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and list it for the price of what other people are having, say it's 95% complete. And I literally even had someone ask me, so like what's missing? And I said, I don't really know. There could be something missing, or there could be something missing, or there could be nothing missing. I have no idea. I just didn't know what was supposed to be inside it, and I didn't feel like taking the time to do it. So I went ahead and listed it like that. I was willing to take an offer for a lower price just because I just, again, didn't want to have to deal that time tedious, very like looking at all the little pieces, so whatever. So I sold it for $22. Not bad, I'll take it. Pretty cool find, and I'm sure they enjoyed it. And finally, we're actually gonna end on another signed copy, and this one was pretty cool. So I sold this book called No Second Place Winner by Bill Jordan. I don't know who this person is. Again, I don't know if that's just me not being educated or not being educated enough on these authors and stuff, but I don't know who it is. This one in particular actually had sold comps and listings with a signed copy. So I knew this would be more expensive for this this book with a signed copy, with a signature. So no, I sold it for $65. It was not a thick book at all, literally like probably this big, pretty flat and not too large. And for $65, that did not sit on the shelf long. That probably lasted 5 days to 7 days or something like that. Because I try to price somewhat competitively with books, especially when I see they sell faster. I'm happy with $65 for a thing of paper so I can get money. Okay, so yeah, signed copy, not bad, guys. So I was pretty happy about that one. So for my FBA sales this week, I actually did $686 this week, which is a little lower than last week. And I sold $631 on eBay, which is slightly higher, but not too much. But not too bad. Consistency is good. It's not too much lower on the FBA sales. I think it's about a $50, $60 difference, but I can kick that up. And eBay is a little better, so not bad. So I'm gonna keep on watching these and monitoring my progression and hopefully keep on getting better. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below with any questions you may have, or DM me at @TheBrandonRobles on Instagram. Stay hustling, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stop, never change.